Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to delete or how to clear browsing history in Chrome Advanced. So you have to go to Chrome first. Now you have to click on three dot icon, which is top right corner, this one. You can see the cursor, right? Click on this three dot icon and you have to click on history, this one. Click on history and you have to click on this one, history, and then you can see all of your history data is here. If you want to delete all, if you want to delete specific one, you can check and you can delete from here. Okay, if you want to delete all together, you have to click on this clear browsing data, or you can check one by one and you can delete from here. Or if you want to delete all together, just click clear browsing data and then you have to click on basic first. Choose this one and all chosen. You have to click on all time. Make sure time range should be all time. Now click on advanced, then without this password and auto fall film data, you have to tick all of this. Okay, then you have to click on clear data. If you click on clear data, your all history, download history or any history will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.